top 5 3D prints for your murder mystery loving teen. First off, to get in the mood, you throw in the demon-style hairpin, just so you're ready for all the murder. Next up, while you're caught in all that craziness, you don't want any hand cramps, so this creepy little kitty will keep the book open. When you don't want to put it down, but you desperately need a drink, this little book shack will hold your place while you take a much-needed refresher. You gotta have your little friendly neighborhood Grim Reaper waiting on the bookshelf next to you to take any of your favorite characters into the afterlife. And you definitely have to have a Raven-inspired creepy bookmark, so at the end of the day, you can save your spot for tomorrow. Happy reading!